Shopify Tap to Pay tutorial. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can integrate the Tap to Pay option or the tap payment into your Shopify store. The goal of setting up the Tap to Pay or the tap payment to the shops is going to be here synchronizing the payment within the wallets of your credit cards into your phone. And this is something that will make the client gain some time in order to achieve or buy something, because it is not practical to type in all the digits on your credit card into your store with your phone or something like that. So what are we going to do to add this feature is going to head over the admin dashboard of our Shopify store. As you can see, we are on the Shopify store. And when we talk about something related to payment or payment methods, we need to head over the settings. So we are going to click on settings. Now we are going to see all the information or the general settings for our store. Here I want to put a little note that everything created in this video, such as email addresses, phone numbers, are created only for the sake of the video and not for any personal uses. So go ahead and use your own information, and then you're going to be good to go. So we are going to head over the payments. From here, we are going to see the, as you can see, the principal or the primary payment methods and the additional or the secondary payment methods. So we are going to choose here the secondary payment method. So we are not going to make it as the principal one or the primary one, because it is going to be here for choice and not something obliged. And from here, as you can see, we are going to see the choice of either search by payment method or search by provider. So we are going to type in here search by provider, and then we're going to type in tap. And here we're going to here scroll down a little bit until we see tap payments. So we are going to select tap payments. We can go ahead and see some details. So it is going to simplify the online payment acceptance with easy, quick, and secure experiences for your MENA customers, powered by supercharged checkout built in by Tap. So it is going to use the wallets into your phone, and then you're going to be good to go. You're going to click on install. Then it is going to have here some, let's say, as you can see, tap payments. It is going to have a personal checkout or a specific checkout page for it, and then it is going to be for your phone users. That was all pretty much for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.